Welcome to Hey Jen Podcast. Today, we're diving into the Sensardi 17-piece pots and pans set that's, making quite a splash in the kitchen world.
Oh, that sounds exciting. What's so special about this cookware set?
Well, have you ever struggled with, limited cabinet space?
Oh,
This
definitely.
set features detachable handles that save up to 70% more space.
Wow, that's a game changer for small kitchens or even RVs.
Exactly. And these handles aren't just convenient. They're professionally tested to support up to 22 pounds.
That's impressive.
So they're sturdy and reliable.
But how about the non-stick performance? Sometimes those coatings can be hit or miss.
Right. But this set uses a granite nonstick coating that's lead, cadmium, and PFOA
Oh,
free.
that's reassuring.
It means healthier cooking with less oil needed.
Nice, but does the coating hold up over time?
From what customers are saying, it does. One reviewer mentioned, "Food doesn't stick, easy to clean, and heat distribution is excellent."
That's a glowing review. Speaking of cleaning, is this set dishwasher safe?
Yes, absolutely. And it's designed to prevent black residue even after multiple dishwasher cycles.
That's good to know. And compatibility? Does it work with induction cooktops?
It does. The thick, flat bottom and high magnetic conductive base ensure quick and even heat distribution on all stove types, including induction.
Perfect. You mentioned unique design features. Can you tell me more?
Sure, the pans have vertical walls and a flat bottom.
Oh,
The vertical walls maximize capacity, and the flat bottom keeps oil from spreading out, ensuring even cooking.
that sounds really practical. But how do the detachable handles fare in the oven?
Great question. The cookware is oven safe up to 480 degrees. Just remove the handles before placing them in the oven.
Makes sense. Right. You wouldn't want the handles to get damaged.
Exactly. Plus, removing the handles makes them fit better in the oven.
True. Any concerns from users, like staining or issues with the handles?
Well, there was one user who noticed staining after the first use.
Oh,
But
really?
overall, reviews are overwhelmingly positive about the non-stick performance.
Still, it's something to keep an eye on. How about the handle attachment? Do they feel secure?
Most people find them easy to attach and very secure, though
That's
some
good.
wonder about long-term durability, which is fair.
Yeah, detachable parts can sometimes wear out, but if they've been professionally tested, that's reassuring.
Exactly. And here's another plus. The set is made with sustainability in mind, containing at least 95% recycled materials.
Oh, that's fantastic. It's great to see eco-friendly options in cookware.
Definitely. It's like doing something good for your kitchen and the planet at the same time.
For sure. You know, it's kind of like having a transformer in your kitchen, cookware that adapts to your needs.
Haha, exactly. It's the Swiss Army knife of pots and pans.
That's a fun way to put it. Now, if only it could cook the meals for us.
Well, we can't have everything,
True enough.
but at least cleanup is a breeze with this set.
That's half the battle won. I'm seriously considering getting this set now.
Same here, especially with the holidays coming up. It could make a great gift.
Absolutely. Do we know the price point? Is it affordable?
For a 17-piece set with all these features, it's quite reasonably priced.
That's encouraging. You've almost convinced me. Any final thoughts before I hit add to cart?
Just that if you're looking to upgrade your cookware and save space, the Sensardi
Yeah.
set is definitely worth checking out.
Thanks for all the insights. This has been really helpful.
My pleasure. Always happy to chat about kitchen innovations.
Same here.